Right, and now we get to the lovely thing is how can I get out of debt review? All right, there is light at the end of the tunnel and there are ways in getting out of debt review. However, you need to know the facts. Right? If you're assigned a Form 16 with your debt counselor, they will flag you as being under debt review. Right? As you're now officially registered under debt review, there are a few steps you can take to have your debt review status removed. However, before we look at this, I would like to highlight a few scams that we as debt counselors see on a daily basis on media platforms and various other marketing campaigns, just to help you be aware and see what is happening out there. All right, so here are some of the scams that we see daily and things that you should know, right? The use of the NCR logo, right? You can see especially on Facebook, I've seen quite a lot. Now, just bear in mind, only the NCR are allowed to use this logo as it is their own and nobody else's. All right. Remove your debt review flag. Various attorneys' names and companies claiming to be experts. Fix your credit score within 24 hours. Right? Have your debt written off legally, new government-approved legislation or something similar to that. Get a loan even if you're under debt review. Or you receive a call from someone stating that they've been mandated by the NCR that they can reduce your payments even further, even if you have a current debt court order in place. Or a call stating that their banking details have changed and that you need to make payments to another account. Just bear in mind that payment distribution agencies do not change the banking details. And if they did, you know about this months in advance. Right, so let's just move on. So when can I not be removed from debt review? Right, you have a court order in place that states you have been declared over indebted and still have outstanding debt with the exclusion of your bond. Other than that, there is no reason why you can't be removed from the debt review on the basis that you can prove that you can now afford to pay your debt. Right, so let's have a look at the process. Right, I would suggest that you contact your debt counselor and state that you'd like to be removed from debt review as there's no court order in place and you can now pay your debt off yourself. Right, you'll need to complete a new application form with your debt counselor confirming that this is the case. Right, your debt counselor will then make use of a lawyer who will then approach the magistrate's court to declare that you're no longer over indebted. Right, your debt counselor will now update the systems accordingly and your debt status will be removed. And the cost of this depends on the lawyer and the debt counselor you use, but it should not be more than 6,000 to 8,000 rand. All right, now should you already have a debt review order in place, all right, you must first pay off all your existing debt, all right, or pay off all your existing debt with the exclusion of your bond on the basis that your bond is up to date, or have yourself declared insolvent or bankrupt in the event of your death. And unfortunately, at this stage, there's no other legal way to remove yourself from the debt review process. If somebody tells you otherwise, they're lying.